Welcome back, class 7th. Today we will start chapter number 14. Its name is collection and organization of data. So how it is start? See carefully. Primary data. Data collected by the investigator. Data collected by investigator himself with a purpose is called primary data. Secondary data. Data which are obtained from published or unpublished source are known as secondary data. Clear? The main source of the obtaining secondary data are data published by the state government or central government and report published by international organization like UNO. Clear? Raw data. Data obtained in original form is called raw data. Clear? Now here array. Arranging the numerical figure of data in ascending or descending order is called array. Tabulation of data. Arranging the data in systematic form in the form of a table is called table of the data. Now what is the observation? Each numerical figure in our data is called observation. Frequency of observation. The number of time a particular observation acquired it's called its frequency. Clear? Now here average. What is the average? For example, when a number came again and again 2 or 3 times nearest to each other, after that we will take the number and we will take average. If any average is a number that represent a group of numbers in our daily life, we often use the word average. Average lays between the highest and lowest value of the given data. We say average is measure the central tendency of group data. There are 3 types of average. First is mean, second is median, and third is mode. So what is mean? Mean of some given observation is defined as mean equal to sum of all observation and total number of observation. Clear? Now mean in second condition when we know frequency. जब हमें frequency पता हो उस condition में. Clear? तो mean the sum of product of observation and their corresponding frequency upon sum of frequency. These are important formulas, so keep it in your mind. So here we are going to solve exercise 14.1. A die was thrown 20 times and following outcomes are recorded. 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 1. Arrange the above data in ascending order and prepare the frequency table. So here see carefully, these numbers are given and firstly we have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order दे रखा है. Ascending order means हमें इसे one number starting the smallest number सबसे पहले लिखना होगा. Okay, so right here arrangement of data in ascending order. Okay, after that here it is 1, again 1 is came, 1 2 time came, so we will write 1 comma 1. Okay, after that again comma 2 2, आगे कहीं 2 दे रखा है, here 2 time है, so write 2, again 2 and 2. Clear? Now after that 3, so 3, after that 3 is anywhere? No. Now 4, 2 times 4, so write 4. After that again 4, 1 time 4, and here 1 time 4 more. Okay, after that 5, 5, 5, again 5 and 5, 2 time है. Now again 5 and 5. Clear? After that 6, 6 and 6. Clear? अब हमें क्या कह रहा है? Prepare the frequency table. तो frequency table भी हमें यहाँ पे बनानी है. Simply with the help of ruler, we will make table like this. See here carefully how many type of number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 type numbers are here. So you make 7 column for that. 1, 2, 3, and here 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. So here firstly we will write observation. After observation राइट फ्रीक्वेंसी, क्योंकि हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी ही तो फाइंड आउट करनी है, किसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट सिंपली राइट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. हेयर 1 कितने टाइम आया हमारा, 2 टाइम. राइट 2 कितने टाइम आया, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 1 टाइम आया है. 4 1, 2, 3, 4 टाइम आया है. 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 टाइम आया है. एंड 6 2 टाइम आया है. सो दिस इज अवर फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल. इजी है ना बनाना. नाउ हियर सेकंड क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द रेंज ऑफ हाइट्स ऑफ 10 स्टूडेंट गिवन बिलो. सो हमें क्या करना है, रेंज फाइंड आउट करनी है. किसकी, हाइट की, ऑफ 10 स्टूडेंट गिवन बिलो. जो कि 10 स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनकी हाइट गिवन है हमें यहाँ पे. Now here second question we are going to solve here. Here find the range of the height of 10 students in given below. So firstly we have to see that what is the formula for range. So I will write here range equal to highest height एंड माइनस लोएस्ट हाइट. तो जो भी हमारी हाईएस्ट हाइट होती है एंड लोएस्ट हाइट होती है उसको क्या करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. यानी जो भी हाईएस्ट नंबर होगा उसमें से लोएस्ट नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. तो अब हमें फाइंड आउट करना होगा हाईएस्ट हाइट किसकी है. सो हियर वी विल राइट हाईएस्ट हाइट and lowest height. So here highest height 151 centimeter and lowest one is 120 centimeter. Right. After that write here range equal to highest height 151 and lowest is 120. After subtraction we will find here 31 and here it is given in centimeter, so write here centimeter as well as. And this is our solution. So do same as I have done here. Now here question number 3. So question number 3 you will solve as I have solved question number 1. तो ये आपके होमवर्क के लिए ओनली दिस क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन आपको होमवर्क में करना है. मैंने आपको वैसे ही करना है जैसे कि मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 किया है. क्लियर. एंड सेंड मी पिक ऑफ योर होमवर्क. थैंक यू.